It's called Up Close and Personal. Lee be asking me personal questions that I'll be awkward to answer, but yeah. Nikki. 13th November 1996. I'm 20 years old. Bhopal. So I basically shifted a lot. I was born in Bhopal and then I was brought up in Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and I've stayed in Bangalore and Pune twice. So I've been in all different schools. I'm doing my graduation. I'm doing BA Psychology. Oh God, this one I suck at always. I can. I think I describe myself as somebody who I have to give it in words, no? Okay, so describe somebody. Thank you. So somebody who enjoys peace. I enjoy time by myself in peaceful places. I recently went to Kerala, and that's exactly what I did there. It was really quiet and nice, away from the noise of the traffic and everything. And I'm somebody who is. I'm also very entertaining when I can be. And one more. God, it's so difficult. I think I can't tolerate. I have zero tolerance for people who are fake. So I like realism. Okay, so I stay with my mum, my dad, and my younger sister Risha. She's 9 years old. We have like a 10.5-year gap, and so I think I'm closest to my mother because my youngest. I think someone I adore the most in the family is my younger sister. Like I would give my life for her, but I'm closest to my mother because she's always there when I go home, and even if I go home and pack up at 2 in the night, she will be awake and cook food for me. She's like the typical. So yeah, so I'm closest to her. She's like my best friend. I can tell my mom everything. She knows everything about me. This is cliche, but when I was, I think, 5, 6 years old, I saw Kareena Kapoor dancing on TV. And I don't know the film's name. It was Tushar Kapoor, that song, Maine Koi Jadoo Nahi Kiya, Tu Hi Mere Piche Hai Piya. So I saw her dancing that song and I said, she's so pretty and can I be that? I said, is that something I can do? So, and then as I grew up and I got to know that that it's a profession that you can pursue, I wanted to become an actor. I wanted to be Kareena Kapoor actually. So I mean I can't ever be, but yeah, that's what I wanted to be. And then for a while I wanted to become a stylist. I tried to pursue, but then with this it couldn't happen. So I mean I wanted to and I tried for a while, but as in when I grew up, you know how your parents they're a little skeptical. My parents were too. They were a little skeptical about me entering the industry. So I sort of gave it up for a while and got into fashion and everything. And I gave auditions for a while, but nothing really materialized. I just stopped. And then this came to me suddenly, and at that time I was giving my exams. So the casting director said, you just send me a video from home. So I came back home in the evening after my paper and recorded an audition and sent it to them. And then a while after that, I got a call saying, come and we'd like to shoot with you. And then we flew off to Goa. So that was me and my first. So this show is my first. And this is my debut in the TV industry. And I hope it's not the last. Favorite color? Oh God, I like all colors. But I think black and pink look really good on me. Oh God, I'm a foodie. That's very wrong of me. I can't. Pani puri. I will have to, yeah. So I'm very fond of accessories, and I like Aisha. Winter. I'm a winter person. Current favorite. So I have both. All-time favorites are tons, but I can watch The Proposal a billion times. And current favorite is The Dog's Purpose. 5, 6. 5. Tiny feet. I'm a peaceful bird, like I said earlier. I'm usually a peaceful bird until I'm poked. What am I obsessed with? One, I'm obsessed with my career because this is one thing I always want, and I really fought for it. Like I've gone through a lot of barricades to be here, and everybody has a journey. So yeah, this I'm obsessed with my career. Otherwise, I'm obsessed with animals. I love animals. My father is a vet, so I love animals. If not shooting, I'm spending time with my family, catching up with my friends, going around places, trying different food, shopping. Yeah. Favorite perfume? Versace Crystal for now. What makes me the happiest? Seeing my loved ones happy. हाँ रहता है. I'm like yeah. Ranveer Singh. Deepika. Favorite singer? Arman Malik. Favorite app? I don't have a favorite app. I think WhatsApp because I use it the most. Dog. Favorite festival? Christmas. So we're planning a family trip to Bali, and I've seen the pictures of the resort and I'm dying, so I really want to go there. Favorite cartoon? I think I've crossed that age of watching, but my sister keeps watching this, I don't know what's it called, I think it's Doraemon. Yeah, she keeps watching Doraemon. Oh god. I'm very, very, so as much as I can like completely dress up and go out, otherwise if I really, maximum of the times I barely put in effort. So I'm more like a track pant and a t-shirt sort of a person, so yeah. My wardrobe has a range of clothes, and I think I have more of track pants and plain t-shirts and all these. I basically go for things that are not very well fitted because I feel like I'm trapped. So I like airy and loose clothes. Friends in the industry, the ones here only that I made. So Devjot ma'am, and she, because I share the room with her. Second, I think she's been the guiding force here. And apart from her, Polimi Das, the one who's playing the negative lead here. 3 things I never leave home without. Obviously cash and my little makeup kit that I have because I love makeup, and maybe like a very, very good sunblock. I am not single. No. Hi, I'm Shrishti Jain, and you're watching me on Glitz Vision. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.